Yes, yes,
Right.
definitely. I will
Monica,
follow. Yeah.
yes, good, good. What are your plans for the weekend?
Actually, my weekend time is will be very busy in my to my kids and some household work also is there.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Right, right. By the way, I'm from Gujarat and I have been helping people with the language skills for 10 years now. I really love what I'm doing and I never get tired of it.
Yes.
Tell me, where are you from and what do you do?
Yeah, yeah. I love to introduce myself. My name is Monica Gupta, and I am from MP Gwalior. And if I talk
Ah,
about my educational qualification, I have done MA from English Literature and B.Ed honors with English and SST. And extra qualification is there CTET. I have qualified CTET examination, and
wow.
presently I am doing job in a private school, and there I teach only English literature and language both.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, so now again, when you say I'm doing a job at a school, better way of it, there is no problem. The grammar is correct. But better way of saying is I work at a school.
I work at a school. Yeah.
Mm,
Okay.
right. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Or when you go forward, you can say, I teach, you teach which grade students?
8th to 12th.
Yeah, so I teach high school.
Okay.
No, higher secondary, right?
Higher
That's not high
secondary.
school.
Yes, higher secondary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You deal with all the naughty boys and girls
Yes.
and stop them from bunking classes.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, there are senior. Actually, from in height wise, if I talk about height wise, boys are so matlab, looking like no so elder than me.
They
Sometimes
are taller.
they are taller. Yes, 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 taller. Yes.
Yeah, they are taller to you.
Yeah, yeah,
They're
yeah.
taller than you.
It seems
Yes.
to me, na.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
yeah, you have to look like that to
Yes, yes,
them.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Would you like to talk about screen time today?
Uh, Actually, pardon, ma'am.
You would you like to talk about screen time today?
Screen time. I didn't can understand your point.
You don't okay, screen time is the time I spend looking at the screen.
Okay, okay, okay. My
Yeah. So
screen is looking
that's
some.
the
Yeah, some screen is
that
looking some dim.
uh-huh. Exactly. It could be a digital device like phone or laptop or iPad. It could be
Okay,
TV.
okay.
Any screen that you are looking at
Uh,
and whatever time you are looking at it, that's called your screen time.
okay, okay. Actually, whenever I get time, I like to spend to watching some TV serial like
Oh, wait, 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 wait. I like to spend.
I like to spend my time to watching TV serials.
No, no,
No,
no.
no, no.
Let's not use
Yes,
two.
yes. Watching
Okay, okay,
televisions. Yeah.
okay.
And
When
reading
I get some time, I like to watch some TV and what in TV.
TV serials like Daily Soap and
Uh-huh.
yeah, Hindi movies like na recently I watched in a theater. Actually, that movie was uh, Tu Mera Main Teri.
And then Main Teri Tu Mera. That's the whole name of the
Yeah,
movie,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah. Which was based on the comedy, like no comedy movie. That was, yes, but I enjoyed
Okay.
a lot.
You enjoyed it? Nice,
Yes,
nice.
yes, yes.
Okay. Which daily soap are you watching these days?
Actually, I am watching Mangal Lakshmi, which is actually on Colors TV, on Colors channel. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. So, how much is your screen time in total? For example, I mean, how much time do you get free
Only 1 hour, I would say, because yeah,
and you spend watching
only
TV?
1 hour I would like to spend because there are so many responsibilities. Ma'am, I live in joint family, so there are so many work. Like my teaching work also. I teach online classes also, academic classes as well as a home tutor. I
Uh-huh.
am a home tutor also, so I have to take
Oh,
classes also like fourth and fifth standard, sixth standard children. Yes.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
nice. Oh
So
my God, Monica. So you go to school and then you have tuitions and you have responsibilities of a joint family and
yes.
then you decide to join English Yari to
English
work
Yari.
on your.
Yeah, yeah. Although
Wow.
I have a lot of responsibility on my shoulders, but on the other hand, we can say, ma'am, I also improve my speaking skills as well. So many YouTubers I inspired watching their videos, their conversation style. So I inspired, I motivated from them. So I decided in
Uh,
2026 I have to do by hook or by crook.
right, right. Okay.
Yes.
You said skill. Say skill.
Skill.
See, you're trying to put an E because of the MP region where you have grew up. Usually, when we say skill, you would say is skill and u scooter and u school, right? That happens to you,
Basically,
right?
I am from UP Agra, but my
Okay,
in-laws' home is in Gwalior. Yeah.
right. My in-laws are in Gwalior.
Okay. My in-laws
Yeah,
are. Ma'am, please repeat.
in Gwalior,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
right? Because you don't need to say home.
Yeah.
When you say my in-laws are there, we automatically understand that they live in a home.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay? Yeah, right. So try to speak without that E and U. Just skill.
Okay. Just skill.
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 See,
Yeah.
now that was correct.
Yeah.
Similarly, say school.
School.
Yes, school is fine.
School.
Skill is the problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so take a note of it whenever you want to speak that word. Take a little pause and then say so that it comes out correctly.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay.
it's okay. See, everybody has mother tongue influence when they try to learn a new language, and that is okay because see, Americans also have American accent, and Britishers have British accent when they try to speak English. So that accent is fine. But when you try to say something, but other person is not able to understand, that's when we need to work on that pronunciation
Yes.
so we can speak in a polished way. That is the
Yes.
only thing.
Nowadays, ma'am, I
Okay.
am working my pronunciation, my speaking skills as well, and so many things are there.
Speaking
Speaking skill.
skill, right?
Skill.
Okay,
Yeah. I'm
okay.
working on all the three or four things like pronunciation also, skills, speaking skills also, and
Mm,
so many things are there to do.
very good, very good. That's how learning looks like. And if you are committed and sincere about it, put in consistent efforts, the results will show where they would go. They have to
Yes,
show,
yes. And
right?
actually,
So that's fine.
daily I take a session in my YouTube channel also. I have a YouTube channel also. Actually, 2 months
Okay.
ago I started my YouTube channel recently, and 2026 I realized that I should I can do.
Realize that that's not key. That is a Hindi word.
Okay, realize.
Okay. I realize that,
I
but
realize.
then you said key
Okay.
because you are so used to speaking in Hindi,
Yeah.
it comes in.
Realize.
Right. Okay. In 2026, you realize that,
Realize, no, right? Realize.
realize, yes.
Realize that I can also improve my skills like English speaking or English. So many skills are there. For example, if we any whenever I try to actually I try to express myself in front of others. Uh, Sometime I feel some kind of nervousness.
Feel na, sometimes I feel.
I feel.
Feel na is
Okay.
Hindi.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes I feel
I feel
that,
nervousness. So, in order
ah,
to learn new things, I remove my hesitation totally. So, I thought that English Yari is a good platform for me. So that's why,
yes, that's good.
yeah, I have joined since actually for three days ago. I think this is my third session with you.
Oh, okay. So you're very new. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I feel nervousness is correct. And I get nervous is also correct. So both are correct. Okay, just giving you an option next time if you want to use that.
Okay.
Okay, now see this one statement I put in the chat.
Okay.
Daily I watch one YouTube video.
Daily
Okay,
I watch.
now,
Yeah.
right, grammatically there is nothing wrong, but
Hmm.
there is something wrong. There is one word which should not be where it is right now. It should be at a different place. Which word?
Uh, I have to extra tell you na.
Yes, you have to
Okay.
tell me that word.
Daily I watch one YouTube video. I think
Yeah, so now,
one.
huh?
I think one. Yeah.
Uh,
Or daily.
no, but then where would you keep that one? If you say daily I watch YouTube video one, that would be incorrect. One daily I watch YouTube video, that would be incorrect. So
Hmm.
I watch one YouTube video is correct.
I watch daily is incorrect na. Daily remove daily word.
Exactly.
Okay.
Where should be daily?
I watched one YouTube video. Daily is the in the end of the sentence we have to put.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right. And until now, you say two, three things like that. And every time you used to put that timestamp in the beginning. You don't need that. Put that
Okay.
in the end.
At the end
Okay.
of the
In
sentence.
Hindi, we speak like रोज मैं एक वीडियो देखती हूँ.
Hmm.
That is correct in Hindi. In
Hmm.
English, daily goes in the end.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. If you
Yes.
feel that I'm giving too much information and the brain is full, it is not going to take anything more, let me know. Okay. So I will stop teaching and we will do something that you are good at. But otherwise, you will keep speaking and I'll keep finding mistakes and I'll keep correcting them.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
When you feel it's
Yeah.
too much, let me know that, ma'am, okay, now enough. It's too much teaching now.
Yes.
Now tell me something that I know. Okay.
Yeah. Can we discuss about any topic, ma'am?
Yeah, screen time. We are discussing screen time only.
Okay.
Do you find this problem of having too much screen time with your kids?
Actually, ma'am, my kids also most of the time they are engaging. They engaged in the mobile. Addict. Actually, nowadays every child is addicted for mobile. Mama, give me mobile. I want to
Addicted
see.
to.
Yeah, addicted to. Okay,
Addicted to. Huh.
addicted to the mobile. So they usually told me, Mama, give me mobile. I want to watch
They
the
usually tell me. They
usually.
usually tell me.
Usually tell me. Yeah.
They usually
Usually
tell you
tell
what?
me that
Mama.
mama gave me mobile and I want to watch cartoons.
Okay. And
So I
you
have
hear them.
actually only 1 hour I have to give them. Yes,
Okay.
yeah. So,
Okay.
but
When you say,
they are not
huh?
interested to watching TV. They are not interested, literally.
Yeah, but that is still screen time because they are looking at the screen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so that would be a problem, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Was what
Hmm.
whenever I also agree with you, ma'am, ki that mobile is not good for children. But sometime I feel that ki 1 hour only 1 hour whole day
No,
24
no key.
hours.
No key now.
Okay.
You used key twice in a minute.
Repeat. I actually I don't get your point.
You the Hindi word key.
Oh,
मैं
yes.
सोच रही हूँ key. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
That key
This is actually
keeps coming in.
mother tongue comes in between whenever I talk in English totally.
That's why you are here, no? We need to remove that key.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Key is not allowed in English, Yari.
Yes, yes.
Only Monica is allowed. Yeah, so Monica will come without that key.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now, sorry, continue what you were saying. If I would not correct you at that time, sometimes even I would forget that you made that mistake. So I have to interrupt.
Yes,
If that
yes,
is
yes.
okay.
Yeah, it is okay, ma'am. Because if you don't find out my mistakes, so how can I learn correctly? How can I speak out
Exactly.
correct word? Yeah, it is okay by me.
Exactly.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
I would say कि, I
I
have to
was.
sorry I have to give them give them mobile for 1 hour uh, out of the 24 hours. I want to take, because na they are also tired, so many things they have, because at this time both kids take tuition, so
Hmm.
that's why I am here in front of you. But after 2 hours, I will be engaging with them, like some notebooks, retain the book, retain the school bag,
Uh-huh.
everything. I have to set
Yeah.
all the proper place. So yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Only one or
Right.
2 hours
Okay.
I have to take for myself, for my growth, for my personality development. This is also very important, ma'am.
Wow. You are teaching me such great lessons in time management. I need to apply some. If you can do so much, I can do a little less than you, but I can do more than what I'm
How
doing.
many kids, ma'am, you have?
No kids. Only my husband is my kid.
Okay. You have no any
Yeah,
kids. You have
I
no
don't
kids.
want kids.
Okay, okay.
It's my choice. I don't want kids. And yeah, because I think I want to enjoy my life fully and I will not be able to handle that responsibility. Every parent I see these days, very stressed.
Very
I
stressed,
don't
ma'am.
want to go through that.
Your whole life
Yeah.
after, actually before marriage, I was very happy. Literally, I would say.
See,
But
I
after,
realized that meeting people like you, I realized what should be my priorities.
yes. So after getting married and so many responsibilities, and after kids, so your whole life is going on.
Yeah, it's
Very
out of
busy.
the window.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
so you can say that now that after having kids, my whole life went out of the window.
Went out of the window. Okay, my whole
Went
life.
out of the window,
Okay. Ma'am, what is
right?
the meaning of this phrase?
It means that मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं रहा. It
Hmm.
just went out of the window.
Okay, just went out of the window. I remember. I
Yeah, if
remember.
something goes out of the window and starts falling, can you go catch it?
No.
No, it's out of the control now. That's why,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. But
Yeah.
ma'am, all this life is also very important, na, to matlab every aspect of our life teach one lesson, na, actually. So that's why I'm here.
Ah, okay, that is a problem in that. Every aspect of our lives teach one lesson. Okay, two sentences. Let's go one by one through them. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
I have to give them for just 1 hour. I have to give them the phone for just 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, that is the statement.
I have to give
Now,
them phone for just 1 hour. Okay.
yeah, that is true.
Hmm.
But tell me, in Hindi, what you were trying to say with this statement?
Third one,
I have to give wala.
I have to give them phone for just 1 hour. In Hindi,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, yes. Tell me in Hindi what you are trying to say.
मतलब मुझे उनको 1 घंटा मोबाइल देना पड़ता है.
Okay. देना पड़ता है क्यों? Is there any outside force who tells you? See, what I'm trying to say is, when do you use the word have to?
Hmm.
When you use have to, it means there is some external pressure on you and you are doing something. For
Okay.
example, going to a job on a Monday. I have to go to work because you don't want to, you would like to stay in bed if you could, but you have to because you have a job and there
Yes.
is some outside pressure,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
I have to take a shower every day, otherwise people will throw you out of the home,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So those are the have to things. Now, if you yourself decided that kids will have phone for only 1 hour, then you need to say, I decide to give them for 1 hour. Or
Okay.
you can say, I gave them phone for only 1 hour. But if it is your in-laws or your husband or somebody else telling you, no, you can't give for more than 1 hour, and it is a pressure on you, then you can say, I have to give.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
But this is my
right?
personal choice ki that when I apply
Personal
decide.
choice,
Yeah.
not personal choice key.
Okay, okay. Okay, personal.
This is my personal choice
Yeah.
that I want to give them phone for only 1 hour, right?
Yes,
So you
yes.
say, it's my choice to give them phone for only 1 hour,
Okay, okay.
right?
Right.
No use of have to is required. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the sentence next to that. Every aspect of our lives teach one lesson. What is wrong here?
Hmm. Every aspect
Okay.
of our life, I think, not lives.
Our, no, you are using our. So lives is correct because our is plural. So
Yes,
lives
yes.
also plural. I'll tell you the problem is with the word teach.
Yeah, I think each aspect of our lives. Teach one lesson. Teach is
Every,
actually
each,
teach one lesson. I think
teach. There should be something, some other form of the word teach here.
uh, teaches
Teaches.
teaches.
Ah, teaches. You know the rule behind that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, ma'am. I know. I can I explain you?
Yeah. No, no, no. I don't need to take a test. If you know,
Okay.
you know. Okay. But when
Okay.
you say every aspect, so you are saying one aspect at a time, right?
Oh.
And even though our lives is plural,
Hmm.
but here we are talking about every aspect as the main subject of the sentence.
Yes,
So
yes,
we
yes.
need to go by every aspect, and so teaches one lesson,
Teaches one lesson. Okay.
right?
Yes,
Do you
yes.
know what is digital detox?
Just what, ma'am?
Yeah, digital detox.
Digital detox. Um,
Hmm.
detoxification
No.
means no. I didn't aware of it.
Detoxification. The word
Detoxification.
you were trying to say was detoxification.
Okay.
Okay. Digital detox means some people these days, because see, people like me who are on screen for about 8 hours every day, right? And then we use phone, we play some games, we watch TV. So there are so many hours during the day where we are glued to the TV screen or screen, any screen, right? Glued to, that is another word. Glued to, chipke rehna.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Gluon too. Ma'am, what is
Yeah.
the spelling?
GLUD.
Okay.
Glue
GL.
is glue. But
Okay.
then
Okay. Oh,
GLUED,
ED.
glued to, when we are glued to the screen, right? So sometimes people like me would decide no screen for 1 week. I will not see my phone. I will not see my laptop. I will not watch any TV. No screens for 1 week. So for 1 week, what I did is digital detox.
Okay, okay. Actually,
Hmm.
I am not a digital detox, ma'am, because I have to take classes from my laptop or mobile when this is my choice. And if I would say कि my whole whole day is very busy for the classes
Yeah.
or taking the sessions, like. So I am
Hmm.
not a
You
detox.
don't need that. If
Yes.
you are watching TV for just 1 hour and you are doing YouTube work for maybe 2, 3 hours, you don't need digital detox. It's for people like me who are like 10, 12 hours sometimes on screen.
Okay.
That is too much.
Yes, yes, that is too much. Yes, yes.
Right? But it's good to know these words because the world is becoming just digital world, and it's good to know screen time, digital detox, digital well-being.
Yes,
Digital
yes.
well-being is you control your screen time. Like currently my phone may make a sound like tang, and I
Mm-hmm.
decide not to look at it.
Yes,
So
yes.
I am taking care of my digital well-being.
Digital
Like
well-being.
I should not be looking at it.
Yeah.
Nobody can disturb me.
Ma'am,
Something
I
like
have to
that.
now
Yeah.
note down these type of phrases like
You
you.
have to or you want to?
Uh, I want to.
Ah, good, good.
I want to note down digital well-being and digital detox. No, you
Yes, digital well-being, digital detox, two
detox.
words.
Okay.
Yeah, try to use them tomorrow, somewhere,
Okay.
anywhere.
Yes,
Try
yes.
to use them in your conversations,
Yeah, yeah.
okay?
This is my
Okay,
hobby, man,
so
because whenever I get new word or new phrases from others, so I will try my best to immerse them phrases or idioms in my conversation. Definitely, I will do, ma'am.
right, right, okay. Not I will try, I try, because you already do that.
Yes,
That
I
is your constant practice,
yes
right? So I try to include them
include.
in my conversations.
Yes, yes, right,
Right?
right.
Okay, okay. So we are almost at the end of our session. In fact, our time is up. I'll just give you a little feedback. I really love your energy, your enthusiasm, the way you talk and you express your ideas, and you are not at all nervous thinking that what if other person judges me for speaking anything wrong or making a mistake. That is the best part of a learner. and you already have that attitude. So that is amazing. You also speak very well. There are almost no mistakes, but where there are mistakes, there are. So we keep pointing it out, and you need to make some adjustments here and there.
Yeah.
Nothing major that you need to work on. But with practice, with polishing, you will learn how to include these phrases and what to say when, how to say it. All these things will be fine, right? So keep it
Yes.
up. Doing well. You
Thank you,
just need to
ma'am.
continue the video.
Thank you so much.
Okay?
Ma'am,
You have a great.
actually your way and your expressing way and your actually explaining everything you nicely. So I understand fully your I think I I really thanks for you. Okay, I
You.
have your session. I have session with you, ma'am. This is really amazing for me. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. That's why I'm teaching. I'm a dentist by education, but I don't practice that. Like I said, I enjoy what I'm doing. So
Yes,
that is
yes.
visible in my work. Thank you for the compliment. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Have a
Bye
great
bye.
weekend. Keep smiling. See ya.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.